This dip is delicious. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nik Manojlovich. Today, a dip that is so very tasty. Not only is it tasty, it's also healthy and it's easy to make. I know your friends and family are going to love it. The ingredients needed to make this recipe are easy enough to assemble. I'm doing a smoked eggplant dip using my smoker, but you can also do this recipe using a conventional barbecue, or you can oven roast the eggplant. Our temperature is 275 degrees. We're gonna place the eggplants into a smoker, barbecue, or oven, and we're gonna let them roast for 2 hours, nice and slow. While the eggplants are slowly roasting, I'm gonna get one spice ready for this recipe. Over to stovetop, skillet, medium-high heat, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When they get smoky and fragrant, I'm gonna take them off the heat, transfer to a spice mill. We're gonna grind them up. They're gonna add a wonderful flavor to this dip. Another thing you can do now is prepare 1 roasted head of garlic. Head to Weekend at the Cottage to learn how to do this. Basically, we're trimming off the tips of the cloves of garlic. We then add a little bit of oil, wrap it up in foil, and then roast this off for 1 hour. After 2 hours, your eggplants are done. We're gonna bring them off the heat. Just let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. They're gonna kinda deflate a little bit. When they're cool to the touch, we're gonna take a knife, just score them, and then carefully extract that very glorious and now flavorful flesh from the eggplant. Now you're ready to assemble the dip. I'm taking a food processor with a blade attachment. We're gonna add our eggplant flesh to the canister. I squeezed out all of the cloves from that roasted head of garlic. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of tahini. Tahini is toasted, ground, hulled sesame, very flavorful. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add that freshly ground cumin. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Then a little salt and pepper, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and then 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. Place the top on the food processor, and then I like to run the machine on a low setting. Although you can puree the heck out of this, I like my smoked eggplant dip somewhat chunky. When it's done, we're gonna transfer into a bowl, and then finishing touches, a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. How about a sprinkle of kosher salt, and then some freshly chopped parsley on top. We're serving this dip with warmed pita or crackers. You can add it to a sandwich if you're doing like falafel or a grilled chicken sandwich. You can also serve it with assorted vegetables at a party. It is so fantastic. Now, if you think this dip looks delicious, wait till you see some of the other stuff we have on offer. Head to weekendatthecottage.com, visit our website. When you're there, please subscribe to it. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. When you're visiting there, please subscribe to our channel, drop us comments, give us a thumbs up, and click that bell button for notification. And then finally, find us on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I just gave you a bunch of different ways you can enjoy this dip, but you know the drill. Now you gotta make it, enjoy it, share it, and then come on back and hang out again soon. We'll see you again. Take care. It's good. It is very good.